Welcome to Train World Play.
Hi, what are we doing today?
We're gonna play with my trains and also play with this.
Okay. Different train set. Okay. Where do we start? Show me some train sets here.
Okay, so we got like a shed right there, if you can see it.
Good. Yeah, looks like an Apple station to me, to be honest.
Yep.
Okay, so where do we start?
Let's just pick a random train.
Sounds good to me.
Looks like you got a motorized one, but I don't think a motorized one will be good for this because they're gonna derail.
Let's just use the push along one then.
Okay, well I got a steam locomotive right here. Let's get out.
Good. Let's see where this train is going.
And then straighten that up. Forgot to open the gate.
Okay, let me see about that.
Then stop. Switch the points. Go through the tunnel. Then
A single engine without cars. Okay. Maybe we can pick up some. I see.
we're gonna go through the station. And let's see what we find over this big bridge.
Yeah.
Over here. Through the
Where
mountain.
is it?
If you want to see the inside,
Yes.
this is where the train goes.
Okay. Oh, there's a waterfall. I love it. It's stop fishing.
And then here is the start of the waterfall. So like this is part of the waterfall.
Oh, good. Very tall.
And then you snap it back on. The train can go right through just like a normal tunnel. And then the collapsing bridge.
I hope it will not collapse. Good. Didn't collapse. That's lucky.
If you want to see it collapse later, subscribe. And then we're finally at our
Getting together.
destination.
What is it? A farm? Oh.
Yep. We will get some milk from the cows and bring them to that village over there, if you can see it.
Yeah, sure. People do need fresh milk and fruits and veggies in the town.
Yep. And then we will deliver it to them.
Good. They're hungry for sure.
And then we'll test out the train.
This is the master plan. I love it.
And we might even deliver some passengers too.
Someone just jumps on in secret.
And let's get the hay.
The cameraman is coming right around.
So here is like a farm crane. I don't know.
Okay, very special.
Yep. I got this for my birthday.
Good.
And then we'll hold it, lift
With
it
many
up.
birthdays, you're very experienced now, yeah?
Yep.
That's good.
I'm 7.
Wow. Big kid.
And then we'll get the animal. And then we'll open the gate. It is very, very smart. So you see the gate.
I see the gate.
And then
Also, I see a big hand covering the gate at the moment.
And there's like that.
Now I
You see, it's an angle. The gate will fit perfectly right into it.
I love it.
And then it gets inside there.
Inside there.
And then let me just put the horse back. And then the cow can go inside it.
Okay.
And then the cow sits right there. And then we can close the gate up. And then head on a journey.
Okay, let's start the journey.
So we need to get all the way to that village. Can you see a path?
This is a bit complicated for Daddy. But let's see. Okay, going there, going left, going right, going through, going under, going through, going over, stopping for a snack. And arriving to the village with a nice park and trees and houses. Oh, with cars parking. I love it. Let's start the journey.
So we go into the docks where there's a lifting bridge and there's a track underneath it, if you can see that.
Let me see. I found it. Good.
And then there's a little crane guy right here that you can remove.
Oh, it's the operator.
Yep. And then I'll just place him back.
Good.
And then he controls the crane.
Hard worker.
Yep. And then he goes, and then we leave the docks. We see this truck that is underneath here. There's a tunnel underneath. We'll show you that when we're on this track.
Okay, momentarily, ladies and gentlemen.
And then go over the collapsing bridge again. Do you want to see it collapse?
No, definitely not.
Well, we'll definitely show you it later.
I will turn off the camera. Little kids will be shocked to see a collapsing train. No way.
Anyways, I know this does not look like a mountain to you, but it looks like a mountain to me.
Oh, we can see through it.
Yep.
With special glasses.
And then we're going right next to houses here.
Oh, I see big house. Apartment. Wow. Somebody lives upstairs, somebody lives on the ground floor.
And then, so here's the tunnel if you wanted to see it.
Yes.
So let me just take it apart. So right there, the truck goes inside it.
Okay.
And then, so the track goes over here. It's smooth, so that you can put it over.
Over or under?
Well, I'll say both.
Good answer.
And you can also fit tracks through there. I'll just show you real quick.
Good, I want to see it.
And also, there's like a little security bar inside, so the track can stay.
Security bar, wow.
Yep. And then like just take it out. And then
so secure.
Yep. Do you want to see the collapsing bridge collapse right now?
Not now, maybe later.
Okay, well it's definitely
When I'm brave enough
later.
to see it.
Well, you're definitely gonna see it later, buddy. Or maybe in the next episode. But
Okay.
it's definitely gonna be in one of the episodes, okay?
Yeah, okay.
And also, if you notice, we got this Lego station that is very, very unstable.
Unstable but still holding. Okay.
Yep. It's been holding me for days.
That's strong enough then.
Me and the cameraman made it, which is my dad.
Signal. I can see the signal. Is red or green from this angle?
So I got this from my grandma.
Oh, right now it's red. Surely it's gonna change. Say hi, Grandma.
Watch it. Hi, Grandma.
Good.
And then
Oh,
yellow,
it's switching.
yellow.
Good.
green, 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 green.
Yeah,
green,
go ahead,
and
train.
then red.
Oh,
then-
stop train.
And then just starts all over again. If you want.
Okay.
So like just press one of the buttons if you want to stop it.
It's an infinite loop.
And
Okay.
This is Lego that I made.
Oh, it's a cafe
Yep.
with happy
And
farmers.
also has a little swimming pool.
Oh, I love it. These people sure love coffee.
And it has a little
Smells
swimming
good.
pool.
With hazelnut latte, maybe?
And it has a little swimming pool. I know it's not my best work, but these are all the pieces I had left.
Very good work.
And let's just put the door on. It's very, very delicate.
Oh, very delicate. I see.
Yep. And then here's a garden with some carrots and stuff.
Oh, good. Right back in the coffee.
Yep.
Get some fresh veggies.
Do you want to see the diving board?
Yeah.
And then let me just put her back. And then you'll see the train coming.
And nice houses nearby.
But it doesn't know which way to go.
There's a switch, I see. So questions, where are we going?
Do you want to do eeny, meeny, miny, mo?
Yes,
If you know
please.
that. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the toe. If it hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. So it's going on that side. Let's make it to go on that side. And then it goes over here.
Good way.
And then we'll go into the station soon.
What is the name of the station? Looks familiar.
Wait, did we pass the village? Yes, we did.
Let's drop
Back
off.
up, back up. Now we need to drop off this cow.
Fresh milk.
So let's say the kids want some milk. They want to milk
Okay.
some cows. So the cow can get out. And then once the cows, we'll come back for it after we finish delivering the hay.
Oh, very
Put it
good.
back in the barn over there.
Over there, yeah, we saw that. Excellent. This sounds like a plan. Okay.
Yep.
So now the train, can it continue its journey?
Yep.
Okay.
And it's going to go over here. And then through here, through the building or shop,
Uh-huh.
whatever you call it. Like, it's kind of like a
A
shop.
shop. Let me take a closer look. This cameraman is coming closer. Ooh.
And even have a removable helipad.
Helipad. My private helicopter right there. Okay,
And
we
then
continue our
the
journey.
train can go over the turntable.
Ooh,
Now, which way should we go?
that's a question.
I see one way. It's this way. It goes
see now.
over here, right next to this boat. And then it has the station where this mobile train will pick them up.
I like the model trainway so we can
And
connect to
then
another
we
train.
also have this one that goes all the way here. And it just goes over here.
Both look good, so you can decide.
Well, I think I'll go with this one, the dead end one.
Okay, let me take a closer look.
Actually, yeah, maybe this one.
Okay.
So it goes under here. There's not much clearance.
Okay.
And then we have to open the gate. Otherwise, this is what happens.
Oh, no, I don't want that to
So
happen.
we need, and then the train will be on it. Imagine that.
Oh, no way, Jose.
And then we go here. And then we can pull in the station to drop off the hay.
Okay, sounds good.
And then put it here. And then we'll come back for after, like some people pick it up and then use some of it. And then we'll bring it back over to the barn.
Perfect.
And then we're back here.
Good.
Now we can finally. Do you want to turn around and go back or explore this way?
Explore this way. We are
Okay.
explorers, baby.
Well, we'll eventually have to go backwards.
But not soon. So first, let's explore.
And then through the station, there's our hay.
Okay. Pick up some for the cow.
And then we're going right next to the boat.
Okay.
I wonder if that's in the wrong spot. I think it's in the wrong spot. Just
Let's fix it.
quickly-
Ladies and gentlemen, wait patiently. We
Right here.
address this little technical problem here.
Okay.
Good.
I'm back.
Good.
And then we're going right here. And then the end of the line. Slow down. Slow down.
Oh, that's end of the line. Okay. And what else do we have here? So now, do I see another train right here? Ah, it's a model train from Grandma.
Yep.
But we have to make some changes, ladies and gentlemen.
Yep, because it won't fit under any of these bridges. Kind
Good.
of annoying because you have to take
Technical
about
problems.
3 tracks away. And then let's just turn it on. And then let's see if
Okay.
it works. Okay.
Should work, baby.
It works.
Let's see.
Now, we'll just do
Beautiful.
the engine run first. Let's do it slow to make sure everything's perfect.
Yes,
And
very
it does
careful.
not crash. Okay, wait, stop the train, stop the train.
Okay, good.
Now, that's why we need to do this, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, we are very careful. Good thinking, good building.
Now we have to remove like 4 tracks right now.
No problem.
Hope we don't get to 5.
Yeah, we can do up to 7 because you're 7-year-old. Oh,
I don't think that's a good idea.
good. Let's see. Okay, now you can pick it up.
So let's try. So we need to test out this. Okay, looks
Okay.
good.
Another train
Okay,
station.
after
Looks
it makes
good.
a full loop, we can connect these cars. And if you notice from the last video, these didn't have cars on it. So, yeah.
This is what they change.
Yep, it
ladies
made a
and
full
gentlemen.
loop, so
Stop.
now let's
Okay.
try these on. Wait, there's a derailment.
Yeah.
Do you see it?
Not really.
I think I can see it.
Oh, with good eyes.
There's about 3.
Oh no.
So this one right there, if you spotted it.
I spotted it.
This one right there.
And I spotted it.
Yep.
And
it's this one.
Right there, I spotted it. Let's make sure it's smooth. Butter smooth. Yeah, go back and forth, check it. Oh, the front one. Maybe this side needs fixing. Okay.
Okay, guys. If you're having some trouble with this, you
Here.
can always use this. So right now I'm gonna use it. So like we put it on the tracks if you have this model train. If you don't, that's okay. And then I'm just showing you how it works.
Okay.
So we uncouple the cars.
Okay. And then what is next?
It's pretty hard. And then we put it on here.
Okay. It's
We
gonna
make
slide
sure
right
the
onto the
wheels are
track.
straight so they
Okay.
work better.
Okay.
And then make sure it's strong in.
Okay. And then ta-tan, ta-tan.
And then it goes on.
Smooth, baby.
Ooh. Yep. And then we will just put it to the side right here. And then we'll get the next one, right?
This is gonna take a while, mate, but we are hard workers.
Yep.
Next one coming right up. Let's take another angle, ladies and gentlemen.
And you also need to make sure the wheels are straight so they like, you know, like if they're like that, they might like not go on perfectly.
Okay.
See, I just did that. Okay. Now, there we go.
This is very handy. Very handy. Wow, so smooth now, baby.
Now get this.
Only 3 more cars left, ladies and gentlemen.
Well, actually,
Please be patient.
this one is pretty easy because it's just a one-wheeler.
Okay. Easy
If you can
peasy.
see that.
Yes, thank you.
And then it's pretty easy to
Let's
put on.
put them on too.
But I think it's better if we just use this for easy technique.
Wow, sure
Then
easy.
we'll just put that there. Then last one. Wish me good luck. You think I can get it first time without derailing?
Yes.
Like and subscribe with yes.
Yeah, I put my Chinese money on it. Good. I get more Chinese money now.
Yep. Now all we need to do is connect them together.
Good.
Now let me remove this.
Put it back there.
It looks like if it looks like a switch to you, it's not.
Okay.
When I first got this set, I thought it was a switch.
That was back in the day.
Yep. Anyways, that was last Christmas.
Yes, a year ago, baby.
Yep, a year.
Now you're much older. You know much more. Uppy.
Yeah, that one doesn't really connect that well.
Now it's connected well.
Believe it or not, this actually wasn't in the set.
Oh.
So before it was just like a full loop. Imagine it without this switch and the curve. Imagine it like that. And without these two cars.
But you dada got
Imagine
some
it
extra
running.
sets. Yeah?
Yep.
Good job,
Sure,
daddy.
they're expensive.
Ah, we have money.
And also we're going to Hungary in about tomorrow
2 days.
after school.
Oh, good.
Yep. When you get home from school, we have to quickly go home, take a shower, and then leave.
Good
We
plan.
got like our suitcases in the other toy room. That like we'll show you at the end of the
Yeah,
video
okay.
if we can. But maybe in another episode.
Another episode is good.
And then it's in. Now we need to make sure it's straight. So let's just move the train forward a little bit.
And now we connect the engine with it. Let's see about that. Okay, it's coming. Okay, I follow
Now
it.
we need to couple this to that.
Okay.
It's going, it's going. Okay, good.
Smoothly.
Looks like it's smooth.
Okay.
And then we'll make it. Okay, it's coupled.
Let's see.
It couples automatically.
Let's do a try run slowly first.
Whoopsies, backwards.
Good.
Okay, it's
Medium
doing well.
speed. I'm following it, ladies and gentlemen.
And then here's that hay.
Ta-tan, 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 ta-tan.
And then it's making a full lap. And now we can speed it up.
Oh, it looks too fast. Oh, no. Yeah. Oh.
Maybe we should slow it down actually.
Actually looks alright.
And now let derail.
Okay.
And then, do you want to notch it up a little level?
Okay, I can take a little more.
What level? I meant, yeah. If you think it's fast, like and subscribe. And then we are going to slow down at the station. Well, we're going to slow down right
Okay.
now.
Nice. No accidents, no problems.
Now,
Good.
do you want to park it or leave it like that?
We can park it.
Yep. And then, so which one do you want to put the cars on? This one or this one?
You can choose because after that we will say bye to our beloved viewers. We will
Yep.
finish our episode. So let's park first and then we say
Don't
goodbye.
forget we show you the collapse bridge.
In the next episode.
Yep. Not today, but in the next episode of
Sounds
Train
good.
World Play.
Good.
Now let's just park it.
Okay, let's see the
So let's
parking.
do it actually in the second row.
Okay.
So we'll do that. Hold it. Oh, what's these?
You switched it, I saw that. Good control. Slowly, 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 slowly.
We'll stop
Good.
it. We need to uncouple the engine from the car. Okay, good. Make sure it's smooth. Oh, whoopsies. Can't go backwards. Okay, now do that. Switch the points. Back up. And then close it.
Perfect. This is a nice ending for our episode. Hit the like and subscribe button.
Yup. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!